Hey, what's going on? This is DIY, the Lawn Care Monster. And today I just want to make a quick video real quick. It's the first time I ever used a selfie stick. It's kind of hard to, I guess I need to look at the camera right there, but I'm in my backyard. We just had a crazy storm come through and got some tree limbs down. But anyways, I just want to show y'all what my project is next year. Sorry about that. What my project's going to be this coming spring, in the fall. But here's what I got going on. I'll show you in just a second. But haven't made a video in a while. But I just want to say I hope everyone had a good Christmas and a Happy New Year's. Hope everyone got everything they wanted. But there's my woods back there in the back. But so if you look, this is what I got going on now. Back there in the back, it's pretty rough. But anyways, I hope everyone got everything they wished for and wanted. Hope you got to spend time with your family. I really, it's a great time of the year to, you know, if you've kind of been real busy in your life and with your job, it's a great time of the year to get back to playing with your family and stuff. And get things back into perspective. But anyways, I want to say I got some few things coming up. I want to do a review on this Toro super recycler that I got, and then I want to do a review with this. I bought this striping kit from so this area is my backyard basically. So you can see it's pretty bad. It's pretty bad. But I have a ton of trees, and I'm really nervous about how it's gonna affect it. But there's my little dog Henry. Henry, what's him doing, buddy? Oh geez. And then so I got a ton of weeds, and it is rough. So I've been kind of skeptical about doing this. But then I redone my front yard, so you look at my back, and I got stinking mud. Whatever you call it. But you can walk over here and there's a fence, and there's some of the yard. There's my renovation that I done in September. I have a video on that if you'd love to see it. But this is my backyard, so we're gonna see what's gonna happen. I think I'm gonna stick with the same kind of seeds that I had. Scott's Sun and Shade, and I might have to go with it over just a little bit different. But there's my other dog, Manhattan. See if I can get a closer look. Manhattan, what are you doing? Oh, just a good girl. But anyways, I just got some few projects coming up, so I hope everyone oh, there's a deer. See if I can zoom in on it. Oh, come on, zoom in. Let's see if I can get it. Right there. Be very, very quiet. They're out here all the time. Let's see. neither here or there. Henry, what you doing, buddy? So, oh, what I was trying to remember a while ago. Was do a review on the Big Lead lawn care or lawn striking kit. I bought one of those for my Toro Super Recycler, and I plan on trying to do a review of one of them. So we'll see how that goes. And if you made it this far in this video, I want to thank everybody who subscribed and comment below. I know I'm just starting out. I still have a lot to learn, but I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. And I wouldn't mind giving everybody something to subscribe, but hopefully eventually I can. The goal is to do something like that in the future, but I really appreciate it, and I hope y'all have a good night. God bless y'all, and I'll see you in the next video. DIY Lawn Care Monster out.